8 bridges, several islands, 1 road. From Stofjord and the city Ålesund to Norway's famous Atlantic Ocean road, the Atlanterhavsveien. We are approaching our destination for today, and after we have been riding in 6 days of pouring rain, we decided to go to a very nice hotel tonight, which is supposed to be one of the most amazing hotels in Norway, and here it is. It's called Storfjord Hotel. Behind the brown log walls and with its traditional sod roof, Storfjord Hotel is a boutique hotel situated in Glomset. It offers stunning views on the Stofjord and the Sunnmøre Alps. And the hotel is the perfect starting point for an excursion to the city Ålesund, which is only a 30 minutes drive and supposed to be one of Norway's most beautiful cities. It's a rainy day today and we are in Ålesund and doing a rest day. And I was trying to find a rain jacket and now we're trying to find a coffee shop, but somehow everything that we're coming by is closed. Ålesund is very close to sites like Fjord, so it's the perfect base to explore Norway's fjords and mountains. The city is built on a row of islands extending out into the ocean, but it's most famous for its beautiful architecture and home to Norway's most important fishing harbor. Good morning from close to Ålesund. It's our 7th day of riding, and basically like every day it rains again and the weather is really nasty, and I don't even want to leave this comfortable and warm bed. This is literally what life in Norway is like. The next morning it was still pouring down, and we were so ready to finally escape the rain. So we looked at the weather app and decided to change our plans. Seriously, I'm not complaining about this, but just as a matter of fact, it's our 7th day of riding in the rain now and still counting. And we wanted to go to the famous mountain hairpin road Trollstigen today, but we then decided to skip it and instead only do the famous Atlantic Ocean road, because the weather forecast there is slightly better, and really it just doesn't make any sense to go to the mountains if the weather is so bad and we cannot even see something in the strong rain. We had to take another ferry over Fjord, and we were kind of happy that we could escape the rain at least for a little bit. It's terrible weather today. We're on a ferry now and going to this nice Atlantic highway with the super cool bridges, but the weather is not exactly a picturesque weather.
this moment. No one can tell where we should go. Oh, it's coming. Thought we had.
You can actually see where it rains. It rains here. And right now it doesn't rain here on the ferry, but it rains here. You see there's some raining here, and you see that here the sky is quite good, but here there's a big rain coming. You can't even see the mountains that are here. Our rare guest in Norway. The sun is coming out.
Something beautiful.
So we're getting off this ferry now, and I feel it's not raining that much anymore. Wait. Oh no, it's still raining, but I think I can see a light at the horizon. Or at least I think I do. Maybe just hopeful wishing. Just in time for our arrival at the Atlantic Ocean Road, the rain stopped. Yes, we did it! It's so funny, it feels literally like a great achievement that this rain stopped. But actually it's nothing that we had any power over, so I guess we're just super lucky and took the right decision this morning with coming here to the Atlantic Ocean Road instead of going to Trollstigen. At this part of the video, I would have really liked to show you a few amazing drone shots from the Atlantic Ocean Road. But the wind was too strong for my little drone friend. So just imagine this road from above with my next words. Road number 64 between Molde and Kristiansund is the Atlantic Ocean Road, in Norwegian, the Atlanterhavsveien. The road runs 8 kilometers across an archipelago of partially inhabited islands and skerries, connected by 8 bridges. The longest and most spectacular bridge is Storfjord with 260 meters. Over the 6 years that the construction took, workers struggled with the region's wild weather and were interrupted by 12 hurricanes. Atlanterhavsveien is Norway's 9th most visited natural tourist attraction, with 250,000 visitors from May through August in a non-COVID year. After Atlanterhavsveien, we found a very good lunch spot where we have a cheese and ham sandwich that is delicious, and the best is this view on our motorcycles. Our next stop is Trondheim or Levanger, depends a bit on how far we will get today. I think it's 4 hours to Trondheim, and it's already like 3 or 4, so I guess we will make it. We decided to not stop in Trondheim because we wanted to avoid getting into another city. Instead, we stayed along Trondheim Fjord. This kind of weather in Germany has a name. It's called April weather, and it's from pouring rain and 10 degrees to bright sunshine. And actually now the sun is shining, and this is a very nice way to finish a long day. We just arrived for the first time in the sun today in our beautiful stay here at the fjord, and we did the Atlanterhavsveien today, which was a beautiful, amazing scenery, but it was much shorter than I initially thought, because I thought it's as long as the coastal road, the Great Ocean Road in Australia, or the coastal road number 1 in California, but it's much shorter, still very worth to do. Thanks for traveling the Atlantic Ocean Road. If you liked the trip, give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment under this video. Are you ready to cross the polar circle with me in the next episode? Then subscribe this channel below and join the journey.